I, Rigathi Gachagua,
do swear
that
I will
always
truly and diligently
God have
truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Deputy President
of the Deputy President
of the Republic of Kenya
that I will diligently
serve the people,
discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office
may I request that we take it again, please.
to the best of my judgment.
I'm sorry, let's take it again.